Welcome to another Giant Science Club. I'm your host, Nita. Today we're going to learn about how an octopus can fit in a small hole. Here's what you need. Toothpicks and a jar, Sharpie, a black one, and scissors, and paint dye. You can have any one you want. Instant snow, and a plate with a humongous bag. Alright, let's get started. Here's how octopus fits through tiny holes. First, draw an octopus on your plastic baggie. It can be one like this. Next, make your octopus body. Pour some instant snow in your bag. Set the bottom. Add some drops of food coloring. Only one if you have this kind. That's enough. Add some water to your bag. Get in the 2 cups after all alone.
One more.
That's enough. Seal your bag tightly. Oh, snow. Ready. Mix up your glue. Here is your octopus body. Here's mine. Cut a hole in the middle of your bag. Use your finger if you need to. Get in the adult if you need it. Put your paper plate over the jug. Here is a big octopus going through a tiny hole. What will happen if octopus have bones? Put some toothpicks and something. Yeah. Put all of them if you need to. Got it. Let's try putting the octopus through the hole again. It's much harder. That's why octopuses don't have bones.
Here's the science. An octopus has a soft body made up of soft tissues. The tissue of the body of an octopus is unique because it can contract, it can lengthen, and it can adapt to be many different sizes and shapes. Even the largest species of octopus that are many feet long can fit through a hole as small as 1 inch in diameter. You might think that the legs of an octopus are tentacles or legs, but actually they are arms. An octopus uses their arms the same way that we use ours to grab things, to help them move, and to eat. An octopus's body enables it to fit through cracks and crevices in the ocean floor, to fit into small caves for 2 main reasons. One, to hunt prey so that they can feed themselves, and then also to hide from predators like sharks and things that might chomp down on their soft bodies. Octopuses are also really good at camouflage. It can mimic many colors and textures with their body. It's really, really neat to see the different types of patterns and textures that an octopus can take on. In the member portal, if you watch the other video that I've linked to, you'll see an octopus camouflage in action. It's just too cool not to share. Most scientists believe that octopuses didn't actually start out with soft bodies, but that millions of years ago, they did have hard shells. In this way, they were similar to crabs or snails and other shelled marine life. Scientists theorize that they lost their shell along the way of evolution to make them more agile and to be able to evade predators and hunt better. An octopus actually has 3 hearts, one just to pump blood to its organs, and the 2 other ones pump blood to its gills, ensuring that it can breathe under the ocean. One fun fact about octopuses is that when they are swimming, their blood heart stops pumping, which is why you'll often see octopuses crawling or walking rather than swimming. Swimming is very exertive. Don't forget to go to the member portal to access your lesson guide, the outline, the worksheets, and the complete lesson to go along with this activity. That's it for today. See you next time.